Tuesday, November the 13th, and our word today is patience. As we affirm, I find joy in the journey. If I were to fixate on instant gratification, I might lose appreciation for the journey that lies between deciding a course of action and then fulfilling it. I choose today to be patient with the process and to celebrate every milestone along the path to reaching my goals. I learn to appreciate the purpose of the time it can take to realize my vision, and I trust that the divine is in the details, sorting out the best possible path ahead for me. I choose not to worry or hurry. I have faith that every detail will fall into place at the right and perfect time. I allow myself to enjoy the thrill of anticipation that comes with patience, and I trust that what is ultimately revealed is the perfect outcome of my divine vision. Paul's letter to the Romans chapter 8 verse 25 says, "But if we hope for what we do not see, we wait for it with patience."